A1 A2, let A1 A2 and B1 B2 be two points. Let A1 A2 B1 B2 be 2 points in the plane with the integer coordinates. With the integer coordinates. Which one of the following is not a possible value of the distance between A and B? This x-axis and this one is y-axis. A1 A2 is this point, and this point is A1 A2. This point is B1 B2. So the question is of distance between A and B. So how to find the distance between A and B? This is the method. If you drop the perpendicular, this is A and this one is B. This point is B. If you drop the perpendicular from A to this this line, the line which is drawn from B to parallel to y-axis. Suppose this point is some C. So this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this distance is suppose this foot of the perpendiculars are M comma N. From A on x-axis M, B on x-axis are N. Therefore OM distance is A1, ON distance is B1. Distance is equals to what? Under root of A1 minus B1 whole square plus A2 minus B2 whole square. This is the distance. So this AB square, that is equals to A1 minus B1 whole square plus A2 minus B2 whole square. In question it is given that A1 integer coordinates, here A1 in question it is given that A1 A2 B1 B2 are integer coordinates. Here A1 A2 B1 B2 integer means A1 minus B1 is also integer, A2 minus B2 is also integer. These two are integers only. Therefore this is integer square, because A1 minus B1 is integer square plus integer square. Means this AB, the distance square, is equals to integer square plus integer square. Integer square plus integer square. Distance square. Here distances are given as 65, 74, 83 and 97. You take 64 first option. We will go for the first option. So distance is 64, root 65 means distance square, AB square. Here first option is root 65. Therefore 65 root 65 square is equals to integer square plus integer. Can you write this 65 as two integer squares? Yes. 64 plus 1 you can write, that is 8 square plus 1 square. The 65 can be written as 8 square plus 1 square. Next, go for the second option. Now go for the second option. Now root 74 is distance, then AB square is equals to what? 74. 74 is equals to integer square plus integer square. Tell me. This is equals to, tell me anybody. 74 is equals to sum of this integer square plus integers. What are the possible integers? Here. Can you write or not? If you write, then what are the integers here? You can write this thing as 49 plus 25. Therefore you can write 7 square plus 5 square. So these also not, this also you can write as integer square plus integer square. Now go for 97, option D. If you go for option D, 97, that is 97 square, that is 97 is equal to integer square plus integer. 81 plus 16 Yeah, 97. That is 9 square plus 4 square. So A and B and D, if you go for the options A, B, D, sir, our question is what? Which of the following is not a possible value? The question is not a possible value. So the question is which of the following is not a possible value? So this is possible because the 65 can be written as sum of this squares, integer square plus integer square. This also we can write. This also we can write. But this 83 we cannot write. Therefore, option C is correct. Following is not a possible value here.